go crazy, wham, wham, wham. On them baby, brand new whip, got no keys.
What's going on, guys? Today we're doing a market haul, you know, shit I get from the market. So, stick around. Alright, so today I went to Aldi's, Food Line, a few other little stores, grabbed some things from the market that is going to help aid me and my wife get through a weight loss journey that we're really picking some momentum up. We're just starting to get back in the swing of things. So I'm going to show you guys some of the stuff that we have. So you already know what this is. It's pineapple. We're going to cut this up. Pineapple is going to be a good snack. You enter in with your food. I know y'all hear Jackson talking. He's been quiet all day. He's trying to talk now. So we got some pineapple. Pineapple's always good. Want to go snack? You know what I'm saying? Got some almond milk. You're gonna add this to your smoothies. You know what I'm saying? Make it a little bit more creamy and more filling. A couple of calories. You know what I'm saying? Got some cucumbers. My wife always seems to want me to get these. She just throws them away when they go bad anyway. I'm just joking. She's in the other room, that's why I said that. She slices them up. She adds like, I think salt and pepper to them, and she'll eat them like that. Me, I'll slice them up, throw them in my salad, you know, that type of general stuff. These are mainly for the kids. I'll steal one every now and then, but this is a good snack for, you know, children. These are sliced and diced peaches, you know what I'm saying? I got the cucumber. So, cauliflower, sorry. Cauliflower, so much different things you can do with the cauliflower. You can make cauliflower wings, cauliflower tacos. What I'll probably do with this, since I'm trying to be a little more healthy, is I'll probably cut this up and make like a cauliflower with curry and all that stuff. It'll be really delicious. I'm sure I'll make a video for it. Got some mushroom caps. What I like doing with these is slicing them up, and then I'll add some seasoning to them and eat them like steak strips. I'll mix it with some quinoa or some other things like that. Brussels sprouts, I love these Brussels sprouts. What I do with the Brussels sprouts is I slice them, I roast them in the pan, and then, you know, they're just good with anything. I like using these when I'm trying to start cutting a lot of starches, so to help me cut weight faster. So that's the Brussels. I got, you know, the broccoli heads, the same thing. I roast the broccoli the same way I roast the Brussels sprouts. It tastes amazing that way. You gotta have your few bags of romaine lettuce, the other ones are over there. I cut these up, I make the salad with them, with the tomatoes. I'm not sure if I showed the tomatoes, but I have tomatoes up here. I put little tomatoes, little hummus, little avocado, mix it all up. I got some fresh cut green beans. What I like to do with these is I'll chop the ends off, you know, with the stems on it, and then I'll just go and add that to any dish after I like cook it down. You know, you get what I mean. I'm gonna cook it up, I'm gonna hook it up, and I'm gonna show y'all how I cook this stuff too. Just not on this video, so you gotta make sure you slap that subscribe button right now so that you don't miss the video when I cook all this good stuff. Spinach, versatile. Sometimes I eat it raw, sometimes I add it to my smoothie, and then sometimes I cook it. Spinach tastes amazing, especially with a little curry in it. You know, you can't go wrong with spinach. Got this half a cantaloupe on sale. It was $1, couldn't believe it. So I had to pick it up. Hang on one second, Jackson.
2 hours later.
Okay, so baby Jackson was doing a bunch of talking, so I guess he wanted to be in the video with me. So, whoa. Come on, Jackson. You gotta hold still for a sec. So, I got the peppers. These are 3 different peppers. We cut them up, and I'm gonna, you know, saute it in the pan with some oil. Add this to some quinoa. It's gonna be a really delicious dish. You can never go wrong with cooked peppers. Add some asparagus. I'm gonna also roast this in the oven. That stuff is delicious. What are you doing?
Gonna go crazy, wham, wham, wham. On them baby, brand new whip, got no keys.
There's no music playing. I got some onion. I'm gonna chop up the onion. You know, mix that with the peppers and everything else. Hang on, buddy. We're almost done. Let's get through the video. You okay? Just say hi to the people then. You gonna wave? Okay. Oh, you had to burp. That was rude. Say excuse me. All right, so moving right along. Got a couple of mangoes. And I got some tortilla wraps. My wife loved these with her peppers, onions, rice, you know, whatever. She just likes throwing her food in a wrap. And then just some marinara sauce. Sometimes I just try to keep this on hand. It'll make change any dish. Say I make some peppers, onions, and mushrooms and add a little marinara sauce. That'll be a good dish all on its own. So I believe that's it for this video and this edition of Stuff I Get From The Market. So yeah, make sure you subscribe, like the video if you like the video, share this with your friends, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.